Welcome back to Meditations by Marcus Aurelius, this series. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the things that Marcus says about simplicity. If you haven't seen the first video of this series, please watch it. The link is in the description. In that video, I cover who Marcus Aurelius was and the basics of Stoicism. That video will give you a good foundation for the rest of the videos in this series. Alright, moving on. I think we can all agree that our lives are overly complex and way too busy. We're trying to do too much, when in reality, only a few essential tasks really need to be done in order to meet our wants, needs, and goals. The rest is just filler, busy work, and just a waste of our most precious resource, time. We're overstimulated, and if you want to start being relaxed and less anxious all the time, you need to simplify your life. Marcus stated, accordingly, on every occasion, a man should ask himself, is this one of the unnecessary things? Now a man should take away not only unnecessary acts, but also unnecessary thoughts, for thus superfluous acts will not follow after. He's saying you need to remove unnecessary acts and thoughts from your life. If it doesn't have a good purpose, then why are you wasting your time with it? Follow-up question for you. Do you know what's most important in your life? Have you sat down and written out a life purpose and a strong why behind it? If not, get on it. Additionally, what Marcus is saying in that quote is, don't waste your mental energy. Don't waste your time on frivolous thoughts or worrying about the same things over and over. Tom Petty was right when he's saying, most things I worry about never happen anyway. Next, Marcus says, always run to the short way, and the short way is the natural. Always seek the easiest, most effortless path. Be like a river. A river doesn't strain or struggle. It flows and follows the path of least resistance. This is how your life should be. As I said, Stoics don't fight reality. They conform to it. They roll with the punches. It's a brilliant way to live life. So, what are some practical tips to get you started on the path of simplicity? First, make a list of your 3 most important tasks, MITs, of the day and do them first thing in the morning, or cut out a chunk of time later in the day to do them. And do it consistently. If you say you can't complete these MITs because of X, Y, or Z, then you need to start analyzing where you're committing your time to on a daily basis. Next, identify what are essential tasks and what are non-essential. How do you determine the essential tasks versus non-essential? Determine what your commitments and needs are. Make a list of your wants versus needs and goals, and of course what you love doing. If you account for all the things you do in a day, a lot of it is non-essential crap when considering your real needs and goals in life. Look at their value versus your goals. Identify these non-essential tasks like TV, surfing the web, games, and eliminate them. Sure, they can be fun and a break from what you're doing, but if you're abusing it, then eliminate it. Ask yourself, are you checking Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and all those other social media sites 30 times a day? I have a newsflash for you. You're wasting your life. Figure out what's important to you, then organize and prioritize your MITs. The purpose of simplifying is to give you more space in your life. It's not meant to leave your life empty. We want to allow more time for the things that we love doing. Next, let me talk about focus. Only focus on one task at a time. Multitasking is complete nonsense. It's completely overrated because it doesn't work. Eliminate distractions when doing your MITs. Shut off your phone, shut off your internet, and so on. Notice when you're becoming distracted and eliminate the distraction. Don't beat yourself up about it, but identify when you're becoming distracted and bring yourself back to that task list. Additionally, focusing on just one task at a time is more productive, increases effectiveness, and is more relaxing than multitasking. Also, you'll knock it out quicker, which allows you to get more stuff done in the long run. Let me hit on email and internet management real quick. First, don't let email rule your life. Set a limit to how often you check your email and only reply to what's necessary. Once done, archive it or delete it. The worst time to check your email is first thing in the morning. You should be doing your MITs before checking emails because emails will only sidetrack you from your goals. And for the internet, be honest, how much time do you waste on the internet? Besides these insightful videos, of course. Well, it's probably more than you want to admit. Everyone does it, and it's great to unwind watching a funny video or catching up on sports, but most of the surfing on the internet we do is not serving us. It's just usually mindless and it's not helping us meet our goals. It's just wasting our time. Again, when focusing on your most important tasks, unplug from the internet. If you feel that need to plug in, just try and ride it out. Urges come and go, and the more you discipline yourself, the easier it gets to stop yourself. And lastly, but not least importantly, declutter your space and get organized. Having a clean desk and home will keep you focused on what's important because you won't be distracted. It will create space where calmness can arise, and it will also make you feel freer from material attachment. Cleaning up the clutter on the outside will help clean up the clutter on the inside, and your mind will become clear, organized, and focused. If you're like those guys on that TV show Hoarders, this can feel overwhelming. So start off slow. Maybe start off with a closet or one room each week and see where it takes you. Alright, that's it from Marcus on simplicity. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos on this, please check out the description. It has a bunch of Marcus Aurelius videos. Thanks for watching.